Hi, welcome back YouTube, Facebook, anybody watching this. This is going to be, I believe, the 9th video of the smoker build. I made another video, but it had a mess up in the camera, so I didn't get everything. Just wanted to touch base with y'all, show you what we did. We pretty much got it attached to the firebox now. You see it's welded all the way along there. Not the best weld. I know I hear a lot of slack from some of y'all. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm just a little bit of a weekend warrior. I just do this as a hobby. I accept any kind of positive criticism. Just give me a little bit of feedback, things I can do better. I don't have a problem with that. Like I said, I'm not claiming to be the best, so just keep that in mind. Here's the panel that's going to go on the floor. That's a 3/8 inch thick steel. I ended up cutting it in half. Let you see this. There's actually a wall that I've welded on. You see this? About an 1.5 to 2 inch wall. That'll keep the grease from going over. You see it's welded all the way down. Here's the other end of it. I rounded it off so it'll actually fit in the end of that tank cleanly against it. Those two notches I cut out, those are for the weld on the inside of this tank. This weld that goes around here where they welded the end cap on, that's on the inside of it, there's a big piece of steel that they wrap around this. You'll see that whenever we cut the doors out. You see I got the cap itself welded back on. Again, that welding kind of sketchy, but for what I'm using it for, it'll be just fine. Here's where we're going to cut the door out. Now I've already marked it out with the marker. I'm going to cut this whole door out and come all the way down to here, so we'll get rid of this big hole. It won't even be there anymore. But we changed up the design a little bit on it, so we're not going to even use this. Once this comes out, I'm going to box this whole thing in. It's going to be squared out, and we're going to have flat doors. I'm going to make the flat doors out of some of this diamond plate over here. It's 1/4 inch diamond plate. Don't mind my garage. My garage is a mess, I promise you. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and get this door cut out. Then I'll touch base back with y'all, show you what it looks like. We'll see if we can go ahead and get that steel panel in there. I'm not sure yet. Probably go ahead and actually burn it out first, because that steel is clean. We'll cut this door out, burn a great big fire in it, go ahead and get rid of any oil, any residue from the compressor. Get all that burned out back to clean metal. Alright?